Sawadika! Mabuhay! Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Clarence Salazar, but you can call me Renz, located in the last letter of Clarence. And now, I'm gonna be your tour guide for today to the delicious cuisine and wonderful culture in Thailand. As we make our way to our hotel, I'd like to give you a brief overview of Thailand's transportation system. You may be interested to know that Thailand has a very well-developed network, making it easy to get around by air, land, and sea. And well, we'll be arriving to our hotel shortly, where you can drop off your bags and take time to rest. And make sure you double check all your bags and things. We'll be spending the day exploring the city's famous landmarks. For tomorrow, I'll be meeting you at 9 a.m. in the morning. We'll have a sunny day well there.